Hi, today we are going to take this power strip outside. This one is really nice because it has so much protection built into it that you can be rest assured that it is going to protect your devices and also protect the people around it. It has two USB outlets here. It has two C ports here. It also has 8 American outlets here. And this is designed to only allow American standard outlets to actually be plugged in here. So if you were to stick in a fork, a tweezer, kids' fingers, anything like that, they're not going to get any of that electricity going to them because it is protected. It has a special design that it's only going to work with a US standard plug. And when you go to plug this in, it might have a little bit of resistance to it, but that is because of the protection that is built into these. So that is really nice to know that this is going to help protect your family. It also can withstand water. It can withstand rain, moisture. If you have this outside and have maybe your Christmas lights or your patio lights connected to them, you don't have to worry about the water splashing in and shorting out everything. It's not going to ruin your devices. It's going to automatically shut off if something does happen. It is equipped with safety features that is going to help protect your devices and keep them from overloading with heat, with shock. This is all designed to help the water flow out through these sockets here, so that way it doesn't hurt the circuit board, it doesn't hurt your devices. It's able to withstand any issues like that without damaging your items. It also has a nice silicone cover here, so that way that's even more protected. The Power Strip Surge Protector patent design includes heat distribution to prevent any potential damage or safety hazards, especially when multiple devices are connected simultaneously. It is made of 1,382 Fahrenheit heat retardant ABS plus PC material. It is a 16 AWG heavy duty swivel extension cord that is 6 feet long and able to be reinforced to avoid cracks. The USB power strip with smart IC USB ports can provide a maximum charging current of 5 volts per port. The extension cord equipped with a built-in smart IC delivers optimal charging currents to your devices based on their requirements, making the extension cord perfect for simultaneously charging cell phones, laptops, tablets, and cameras without the need for various converters. At the end of the 6-foot extension cord, it has a 45-degree flat plug that will make it easier to plug in and hide behind furniture.